How to use Adobe Stock Honest Review. Properly beginner mistakes that cost you. Adobe Stock is a treasure trove of images, videos, and templates, but beginners often make mistakes that waste time and money. Here's how to use it properly. The first mistake is not understanding licensing options. Most people get this wrong by assuming one license fits all needs. Standard licenses cover most commercial use, but extended licenses are required for merchandise or large-scale distribution. Choosing the wrong license can lead to copyright issues. Second mistake, ignoring search and filtering tools. You won't believe how much time beginners waste scrolling endlessly. Use keywords, filters, and search suggestions to quickly find high-quality assets that fit your project. Third mistake, neglecting resolution and format requirements. The surprising truth is downloading low-resolution images or incompatible file formats can ruin your final product. Always check the resolution and format before purchasing. Fourth mistake, overlooking subscription versus credit packs. Some users pay per asset when a subscription would be cheaper or vice versa. Compare your usage to find the most cost-effective plan. Finally, not integrating with Adobe Creative Cloud is common. Using Adobe Stock within Photoshop, Illustrator, or Premiere simplifies workflow and allows direct editing of assets. By understanding licenses, using search tools, checking resolution, choosing the right payment plan, and integrating with Creative Cloud, you can use Adobe Stock efficiently. Avoid these beginner mistakes, and you'll save money, time, and effort while creating professional quality projects.